Hello, hi everyone. I'm Rick Kirkham of InHomeComputerHelp.com, covering Honolulu, Hawaii, and all of Oahu, and remotely covering the world. Today I'm going to show you once again how to manage files in your OneDrive account. That's your cloud. And if you just watched my other video, you know I'm a cloud fan, because it's not if your computer will crash, it's when your computer will crash. And how backed up are your files? I've got to tell you, I see the eyes of people practically begging me to save their work files and their photos of their grandchildren and stuff like that. And gee, no pressure there. But if you back all these things up in the cloud, then much better for you and much less pressure for me, by the way. So the first thing we're going to do is just go ahead and change our view right here with this little brick-like thing, which I showed you in the last video. I'm going to click on that, and instead of tiles, which is by default, I'm going to select list. And then right here, I can change this to date modified, which it may already be date modified. If I click on name, then that's obviously alphabetical order. And if I click on date modified, then the date shows right there. That's the most recent one that I did. Now from here, I want to move this into another folder that I created. So there's two ways you can do this. I always tell my computer tutoring students, right mouse click for a menu and left mouse click for an action. And here you see move to, and I can left mouse click on that. But in list mode here, there's another way to do that, because most of my in-home computer tutoring computer clients are not used to using a right mouse click, and they have to kind of remember to do that. So instead, this is practically invisible on the screen here, but I can click on this little circle right here, and you notice I got another menu that come up where I can tell this move. So now I'm going to click on move to, and in this case I'm going to go into documents, and then websites, computerhelp808.com, and then we'll go back up here to move. And it's verifying here that it moved one item. And that's all there is to moving folders around or files around and managing them in your OneDrive cloud account. I'm Rick Kirkham. Aloha.